I'm Ezra Mam. I'm a professional athlete playing in the NRL. We've just undergone a heap of renovations, and obviously solar solution is one of the things on the bucket list that I wanted to tick off. I probably use a bit more electricity than most. In my downtime I like to do a bit of gaming, and on the side I have exotic pets, so that's why I've got solar. The team at Solar Power Nation have designed and installed the entire solution. Like everyone else, I was pretty surprised of how easy it was to get installed. I just had to send a photo of my power bill and a picture of my meter box, and the lads took care of it from there. I've got Canadian solar panels because their warranty is outstanding. If you're considering going solar, go with Solar Power Nation. They're the champion's choice in everything solar.
Solar Power Nation, the champion's choice for everything solar.